Well, the day ahead of the 9th round of talks with the government, farmer unions are taking out tractor rallies at several borders of Delhi. The tractor rally against farm laws started from Ghaziabad in Uttar Pradesh towards Palwal in Haryana. The protesting farmers from all borders are converging on the eastern and western peripheral expressways for their 20-kilometer-long march. Farmers say they are mobilizing for the big agitation which is expected to take place on the 26th of January. Around 40 farm unions are protesting against the 3 farm laws passed by the government. They have met senior centre ministers 8 times, but the demand to repeal the farm laws has remained one of the big bone of contentions. Meanwhile, the Apex Court has expressed concerns over the coronavirus situation at the farmers' protest. Chief Justice of India, S.A. Bobde, said if COVID norms are violated at farmers' protest, the Tablighi Jamaat-like super spreader event might take place.
आप लोग इस तरीके से
हाँ तो क्यों नहीं कर सकते? बातचीत होगी तो उसकी 26 तारीख की भी तो तैयारी करनी है ना हमें। भाई 26 तारीख से लोग ट्रैक्टर रैलियां निकाल लेंगे, 26 तारीख को दिल्ली में परेड में शामिल होंगे, तो ट्रैक्टर कैसे लाइन में चलेंगे? तो ये व्यवस्था बनानी पड़ती है सारी।
तो ये व्यवस्था बनाई जा रही है। यहाँ से आप लोग निकल रहे हैं केएमपी की तरफ, कहाँ तक जाएंगे?
ये आगे जाएंगे केएमपी पर, उस पर वो चलेंगे हम। हाँ चलेंगे आगे तक।
अलग अलग जो बॉर्डरों से है इसी तरीके से जत्था निकला है।
हाँ
तो ये तो आज की बात हो गई। आगे जब आप 26 जनवरी की बात कर रहे हैं, तिरंगा भी आपके पास है, किसानों का झंडा भी है, तो ये दोनों झंडे अब आगे इसी तरीके से साथ
यही रहेंगे, फ्रंट पे यही झंडा रहेगा। अब तिरंगा 1 लाख झंडे का ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं हम कि 1 लाख झंडे हम बनवाएंगे और लोगों को देंगे, और अब अपने उस पर तिरंगा झंडा 26 तारीख तक ये लग जाए सबके पास में, और जो भी ट्रैक्टर अब चलेंगे वो तिरंगे के साथ में 26 जनवरी में शामिल होंगे।
They say that the journey is often more beautiful than the destination, and for these farmers this is a journey that represents the resolve that they will not back out. We are on the Western Peripheral Expressway, and the pictures that you see here, hundreds of tractors and dozens of farmers, somebody cycling right here. You can see this gentleman cycling all the way to the Tikri border, even as the Jatha of the Kisans has left Kundli. We can see that there are about 2,000 tractors that have left from the Singhu border. More than an hour of this journey now, and it's still going on. You can see the faces of these farmers, flags, messages, music, and everything that they've got. They put all the stakes in this fight, and they do believe that till they win this battle, they're not going anywhere. You can see on either side the Indian flag falling high right here in front of the tractor, right there the Tiranga, and just before the Republic Day, a message of a rehearsal that could surely send the government into a tizzy. क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं सरकार को?
सरदार को कहना चाहते हैं जो 26 जनवरी आ रही है उससे पहले हम जो तो हमारे काले कानून है उसको रद्द कर दे, नहीं तो हम 26 जनवरी को एक ऐसी रैली निकालेंगे जिससे पंजाब भर में पूरे एकजुटता होगी, किसान जथेबंदियां इकट्ठा होकर लड़ाई लड़ेंगे। जब तक हमारे काले कानून रद्द नहीं होंगे हम छोड़ के नहीं जाने वाले, कहीं नहीं जाएंगे। हमारे बच्चे भी साथ हैं, बीबियां भी साथ हैं, माता भी साथ हैं, हम अपने परिवार नाल लेके आए हैं। जितना टाइम साडा लगूगा असी लाके जावांगे।
Their children, their family, everybody is completely backing them, even as these farmers march with their tractors. A big message to Delhi that they are not going to back out. With video journalist Sanjeev, this is Mosby Singh in Delhi for India Today.
I want to immediately connect to my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal, who's reporting right now from the KMP Expressway, Haryana. Aishwarya, has the rally culminated right now? What's the latest?
Well, Preeti, the rally is about to culminate. Very few tractors now left on the expressway. Most of them have already reached the Ghazipur border. And the visuals today were really a signal to the government. Almost all the tractors had the tricolour and the Kisan flag on top of them. They said that they are marching ahead for the country. They are marching ahead because they want to show the government the strength and the unity which they have. And this was very strategically planned. Just 24 hours before, the farmers and the centre is set to sit on a table and hammer out, iron out their differences. But the farmers very clearly saying, we are not in small numbers. What we showed you was just a trailer. The bigger picture will be seen on the 26th of January if their demands are not met. All the eyes, Preeti, now on the very crucial meeting which will take place tomorrow. Back to you.
That's the big question. What will come out of that meeting? Appreciate you joining us, Aishwarya. We'll continue to come back to you. Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.